Okay, so these are the boards we're changing. You see, they've just been water damaged and they're warped. So I'm going to be just taking these off now and then replacing them. Not really all fixed on anyway. A couple of blobs of grip fill and it's got no nails in it. It's only got nails in it there where it's got a join on it, and that's it. That's probably why it's all warped. So I'm going to sort that out now. Right guys, we've got the old ones off, and what we're doing now is we're just getting set up now to cut the new ones. These are the new skirting boards that are going on. These are solid oak. Proper solid oak, so I'm going to cut this one down first. Just going to mite at the end of it, and then we're going to take that one upstairs and measure the next piece up. Then we'll come down here and cut it up. Harvey's on his dinner. Right, we've got that one up here now, so that one's just cut. We just mited the end of it there. These are already pre-finished, pre-oiled when we got them, so they're just ready straight to install. So we're just going to measure this last piece now. And that's going to go up to there. This is a straight cut. I might have joined there.
Used to tell me we were pieces of each other. I could never be anything without you. Ever really hate to see. Quick it seems you're breaking down, but I'm fine. Yeah. Boy, I didn't need all of these stray bags to carry. Just couldn't believe a lifelong was something that I could achieve.
Yeah. Nice, solid oak. Lovely jubbly. Right, we're going to go upstairs now, check this one fits, see if it needs any more trimming off it. If not, we'll fix them to the wall then. Right, that's that bit done now. Done our cut there. That's our miter. We're just going to get some miter glue for that, glue them together and glue it on and nail it to the wall. Seal up the top, and we're done. And what we're going to do now is might glue the joints. So put a bit of this on one side, activator, and a bit of glue on the other side. Don't want to go right to the edge of it, otherwise it'll come out of the joint. Go, plenty on, and then we're going to have to turn the camera off all day, aren't we? Right, we're going to use some of this mega stick. It's not expanding foam, it's glue. We're going to use some of that on the back of it, stick it on, and then we're going to nail it as well. Plenty of that on. Get this joint in the middle, just take it really easy. This is home for that. Sort that one sec. Push your end in and pull it back. That's where it needs to go. We're pushing down this way a bit.